What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Catherine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Catwoman makeup look. When I was taking inspiration to do this makeup look, I saw that she has a lot of like dark smoky eyes and kind of like a little bit of glitter on her like eyelid. So that's what I was trying to like recreate. I don't think she has the red lip, but I just feel like she would do the red lip. Like, does that make sense? Like, I just feel like she would do a red lip because I feel like it would look so good on her. But anyways, this is my type of like smoky eye. And yeah, just get into the video and see. Okay, first I'm going in with my CoverGirl concealer and just putting that on my eyelid as like a base. And then I'm going with my Ashley Strong Morphe palette. And I'm using the shade I Am Happy and putting that in my crease. As well, I'm using the shade I Am Thankful and just putting that on my crease as well. And then I'm going with my 35D Desert Bouquet Morphe palette. And I'm using Hottest Ever in my crease. And then I'm going in with Plant Zaddy and as well putting that in my crease just to darken it up more. So we'll just be using a lot of brown shades. And then I'm going in with Temp Check and putting that kind of like a little bit higher up than my crease just to blend it out. And then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and cutting my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Under the Palms and just putting that on my eyelid. Next, I'm going in with Midnight Bloom. It's just like a black eyeshadow. And I'm using that in my outer corner as well as in my crease to darken it up and kind of make like a wing. Here I'm just using Hottest Ever again in my crease. And then I'm using my CeraVe moisturizer and just putting it all over my face. And then I'm going in with my foundation again and just putting it all over my face as well. Here I'm going with my concealer again and just covering my under eyes. Next we're just doing the brows. I use this Lancome spoolie. And as I'm just going in with some powder to like set everything in. And it's also by the brand Lancome. As I'm just curling my eyelashes. And I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm just curling my eyelashes again. Next, I'm going in with the Ren Beauty Midnight Black eyeliner pencil and just putting that on my waterline. But I did that off camera, and now I went in with my Hoola bronzer and just contour my nose and cheeks. Next, I'm going in with the shade Villa Vibes and just highlighting parts of my face, and then I'm using this. And I'm just using this tint by Too Faced on my cheeks. And then I'm going with a lip gloss by NYX in Red Velvet. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you're gonna be this year for Halloween. I would love to know. I'm most likely gonna be a vampire, even though I'm Catwoman at my job, which no one seems to know who I am, which freaking sucks. But whatever. Yeah. So that is it, and I will see you guys when I see you. Bye.